Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today's video is a plane spotting video at Sydney Kingsford International Airport. Starting out for today, we have Link Airways Flight 655, a Saab 340 from operating a flight from Canberra to Sydney. This is Singapore Airlines Flight 241, flying in from Singapore over to Sydney, and it is an Airbus A350-900. It was very fun to see. This is Qantas Flight 729, operated by 737-800, and it was from Uru to Sydney. This is Rex Flight 6774, operating from Albury to Sydney, and it is a Saab 340. This is Air New Zealand Flight 223, flying in from Christchurch, and it is an Airbus A321neo. This is Qantas Flight 122, flying in from Queenstown, and it is a 737-800. This is Qantas Flight 1442, a Q400 flying in from Canberra. This is an A320 flying in from Melbourne Avalon as JQ606. This is JQ Flight 841 from Proserpine, also an A320. This is Emirates Flight 416, Dubai to Sydney, and it is a Boeing 777-300ER. This is also very cool to see. I haven't seen 416 so far. This is Qantas Flight 597, a service from the Gold Coast, and it is a Boeing 737-800. This is DHL Flight 232, or K4 for Kawita Airlines. They're cargo airlines, as you obviously can tell. It is operated by a Boeing 777 Freight, and it is coming in from Los Angeles. This is Air New Zealand Flight 231, coming in from Queenstown, and it is an Airbus A320neo. This is Qantas Flight 454, flying in from Melbourne Tullamarine, and it is a Boeing 737-800 in the retro livery. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a nice day or nice night wherever you are in the world. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will post my next video soon.